Why is your life in reality so different from the picture you're painting in your head? Most people are unknowingly repeating a failure script every single day. Right now, we're going to peel back the curtain on the hidden machinery of your mind. You're about to learn how to take that vision in your head and turn it into something real in the outside world. In this first part, you'll see why your mind keeps dragging you back to old mistakes when it doesn't have a clear blueprint. Next, I'll show you how to wake up this internal design power so the world stops pushing you around. Finally, we've got a 40-day plan to keep your inner architect working for you forever. Part 1. Why isn't your life what you actually want it to be? Many of us wake up and the first thing we do is worry about all the bad stuff that might happen. Right now, as you're listening to this, there's a massive force in your brain building your future. Neuroscientists like Dr. Joe Dispenza have shown that the brain can really tell the difference between reality and a strong imagination. When you stress about bills or an argument, your body feels the exact same tension as if it were happening for real. That means you're using your thoughts to consciously create those negative situations. It's strange how we think we're victims of circumstances when we're actually the ones designing them. Ever wonder why the more you try to run from a problem, the bigger it gets? It's because instead of focusing on the goal, your mind is busy painting a picture of the problem. This is exactly where most people get trapped and steer their lives off course. Your mind is like a high-end printer that only prints the design you feed it. If you draw a design of poverty, fear, or misery in your head, the universe's printer gives you exactly that. This isn't superstition, it's rooted in cognitive psychology. In psychology, this is called the expectancy effect, where whatever you intensely anticipate tends to manifest. Ever thought of someone and get a text from them the same second? That is the power of visualization, baked right into all of our subconscious minds. Now imagine what could happen if you actually use this power on purpose. But here's the kicker. Most of the time, we're using this power against ourselves. We've learned to always look at the empty half of the glass, and then we're surprised that our glass is always empty. Stats show that most of our fears never happen, but they burn up our energy before they even have a chance to occur. When you fail in your head, your body releases the same stress chemicals as a real failure. It's an endless cycle that only breaks when you change your mental model. Think about how much positive energy you've wasted by constantly picturing the worst case scenarios. You've basically been working against your own happiness this whole time. Many of the world's most successful people lived their success thousands of times in their heads before it happened. Long before they had a dime, they had a crystal clear image of that success in their minds. So the question is, what kind of design have you been printing out lately? Are you ready to swap out that old blueprint and feed your brain a new design? Stanford University studies have even confirmed that visualization can massively boost your brain's performance and motor skills. You are literally using your thoughts to rewire your brain cells. Just imagine if you spent just 10 minutes today painting the picture of victory in your mind, how would you change? In this series, we're going to learn how to grab the steering wheel of this power. It's time to switch from accidental creation to intentional design. You being here and listening to this means the time to change your mental blueprints has finally arrived. Most people waste their whole lives without ever realizing which mental pen they're using to draw. You aren't the same person you were a few minutes ago, because now you're looking behind the curtain. Whatever picture you hold in your head right now is busy building the world you'll live in tomorrow. So it really matters what you're putting in your mental gallery. Did you actually pick what you want, or are you just thinking about what scares you? Take a pause right now and pay attention to your very last thought. That thought is building your world, so be careful what you're drawing in your mind. Part 2. The magic of building your own reality. Now that you know how your brain is sketching out your world, it's time to take control of the pen. A lot of people think they need some crazy outside event to change their life. But the truth is, big changes always start with one small shift in your mental image. When you learn how to consciously visualize success instead of fear, the rules of the game change. That means you aren't waiting for fate anymore, you're drawing your own destiny. Cognitive scientists call this neuroplasticity, basically building new highways in your brain. When you picture your goals in detail every day, your subconscious starts hunting for ways to make them real. This is exactly what it means to fire up your brain's reticular activating system. That system acts like a filter, showing you all the opportunities you used to walk right past. Now, you don't have to stress about how you're going to reach your goal, because once your vision is clear, your brain will find a path for you. This power works like an internal compass that always points toward your destination. The outside world is just a reflection of the sketches you make in the quiet of your own mind. If you always see yourself as weak in your head, the world will treat you exactly that way. But the moment you change your internal image to that of a strong winner, the world's reaction changes too. This change isn't magic and it isn't an overnight fluke. It's the result of mental discipline. Many of history's greatest figures followed this exact path, even if they didn't have a name for it. They built it in their minds thousands of times before it ever appeared in the physical world. Now imagine if you could learn this as a daily skill. What could happen? There won't be any locked doors for you, because you've already walked through them in your head. That means reaching a level of peace where you aren't afraid of change anymore. When your internal image is precise, you stop wasting energy on useless fears. You learn how to focus your energy only on building constructive realities. Life turns from a game of chance into something carefully engineered. You're finally using that God-given potential sitting right inside you. Always remember that your mental image is the first step to creating anything in this world. Deciding what to build in your head is your greatest superpower. Now you see why positive people always seem to attract more chances. They're actually carrying a clear, beautiful map of their happiness with them everywhere. So why shouldn't you do the same thing for your life? The more you practice this visualization, the faster your real life changes. This skill helps you stop getting stuck in problems and find the way out much faster. Because now your mind has learned to lock onto the outcome instead of the struggle. It's a daily practice that eventually changes who you are. You aren't just a spectator anymore, you're the director of the whole show. This change in perspective is the first real step to becoming the version of you that you've always wanted. Now, it's time to put these ideas into a plan you can actually use. We're just a few steps away from turning this power on for good, ready to put this map to work in your own life. Part 3, the 40-day plan to master your inner architect. To turn this into a part of who you are, you've got to make a real commitment to yourself. This 40-day plan is going to rewire your brain for conscious visualization. It all starts with waking up early or finding that calm moment before sleep, the best time to program your subconscious. Step 1. Every morning, before you touch your phone or dive into the news, give yourself 10 minutes. In those 10 minutes, close your eyes and go to a place where nothing can break your focus. Pick 3 of your biggest goals and play them like a high-definition movie in your head. Don't just think about the goal. Feel the emotion of the moment you finally reached it. Imagine getting that award, experiencing that great relationship, or hitting that financial milestone. Details matter. Feel the color of your clothes, hear the voices around you, and even smell the air in that space. The more real that scene feels, the deeper it sinks into your brain's wiring. This practice is just like a workout that builds your mental muscles to create your reality. The first few days, your mind might fight back, telling you it's silly or a waste of time. That resistance just means you're building a new path where there wasn't one before. After the first week, you'll notice your mind automatically looking for the chances to make that vision real. If you miss a day, don't beat yourself up. Just get back at it harder the next day. Consistency over these 40 days is the secret to becoming the person who writes their own destiny. Remember, the universe doesn't answer our wishes, it answers our vibration. Visualization is the best way to change your frequency and align with positive things. Now that you hold this power, there's no more excuse to be a victim of your circumstances. You are the architect of your own life, and every day you're building the foundation of your new reality. Think about it. After 40 days, when you look in the mirror, who is the person staring back? That person won't fear the storms of life because they've already managed them in their head. This journey has been one of the most important things you've ever done for your own growth. Walking through these 100 steps shows how serious you are about changing and reaching your real potential. Each of these parts is a piece of your puzzle that's finally falling into place. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for being here with me on this journey. I invite you to start this exercise tomorrow morning and stick to it for 40 days. Don't forget that watching these in order helps these changes settle deep inside you. If you really want to rebuild your life, start from the beginning and keep climbing. You were built to shine, and these exercises are just waking up that light that's always been there. Your life is your canvas, so start painting something beautiful with focus and power. Every second you spend on positive visualization is a huge step toward your lasting success. I'm looking forward to hearing about the amazing results you'll see in your life. The path you've started is a journey back to your true self and the greatness inside you. Take care of yourself and remember, the real power has always been in your hands. Until next time, keep walking this path toward your highest self. We still have a long, exciting road ahead that's going to change your life completely. I'm so happy to be your partner on this journey.